In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a map to your catering website using the page builder. Adding a map is a simple but important finishing touch, especially for a catering business. It helps potential clients quickly understand where your business is located, and it can make your website feel more professional, trustworthy, and complete. Whether visitors want to know if you serve their area or they simply want to confirm your physical location, a clear map can make that process much easier. To begin, open the page builder and add the map element to the section of the page where you want your location to appear. In most cases, this works best on a contact page, booking page, or near the footer, where visitors naturally expect to find location details. Once the map element is added, you can start customizing how it appears. Next, look over to the sidebar settings for the map. Here, you'll either paste in the API key if your setup requires one, or in many cases, you can simply enter your business address directly. Make sure the address is entered clearly and accurately so the map points to the correct location. This is especially important if your catering business works from a studio, commercial kitchen, office, or storefront and you want clients to find you without confusion. After that, adjust the map zoom level. A zoom setting between 12 and 15 is usually ideal for clear local viewing. Lower zoom levels show a wider area, which can be useful if you want to give broader geographic context. Higher zoom levels focus more tightly on your immediate location, which is helpful if you want clients to see nearby streets and landmarks. Choose the level that makes your location easy to recognize without feeling too zoomed in or too far away. Then select a map theme that matches the overall design of your catering website. You may see options like standard, silver, dark, or other visual styles. This is mainly a design choice, but it can have a big impact on how polished the page feels. For example, a dark theme may work well on a modern site, while a standard or lighter theme may feel cleaner and more traditional. Try to choose a style that blends naturally with your brand colors and page layout. Once everything looks right, click Save. That's it. Your physical business location will now be visible to potential clients, making it easier for them to connect with your catering business and understand where you're based.